Hi guys, it's me Roxy again. So remember I was telling y'all about these little machines that you clean your face with. I got this one from TJ Maxx, $7.99. Like I said, it's good to buy them during the holidays. This is all the parts that come with it. This is the cute little box. Amazing. And this is what I'm going to be using today to clean my face. So it takes two AA batteries, just two. Okay, so I'm gonna put it together and then I'll be right back, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick little story about my birthday. Okay, I'm back. So this one is for skin assistance, right? It says facial cleaning and it's called tea tree oil rejuvenation facial cleanser. Awakens, refresh, cleans, deep cleans, renew, tea tree oil, right? So we're gonna do that. So yesterday was my birthday. Thank you for celebrating with me and wishing me a happy birthday. I'm gonna put just a whole bunch on here. I got the medium one out and start cleaning my face. Take off my glasses. Okay, so we went to, me, my husband and I, we decided to go to, okay, so y'all can't see, right? So, you see now? We went to the Dior Cafe. We went to Dior Cafe. Oh my God. So we went to Dior Cafe and we had the hot chocolate. Very bougie. Very bougie. It's not that big. I'm here in Miami, and I'm gonna turn this down. I'm here in Miami, so we went to the one in Miami Fashion District, or it's called Fashion Design District. It was a great experience. With tip, it came up to about 40 bucks. The ambiance was excellent. There's really not a lot of food on the menu. You can view the menu online if you like, and you can see that there's nothing there. So I got me a hot chocolate, which is like melted candy bar, or what I would say cacao, melted like lava, and when it went down, it was amazing. So that would be great for a dessert. If you're visiting Miami, try it. Get there early, go during the week, and they're open at 11 Monday through Thursday, and that would be a great experience for you guys. All the absolutely best expensive stores are